Oh, may easy.
I always know that I can count on you to be there when I'm not.
We were the duo they failed to separate.
As you look back on your experience as my EC during our graduating year, what parts of your life are you most grateful I was able to influence or be part of?
I am beyond grateful for Aliger because she always brings out the best in me. Like, totoo. Negatively, positively.
Nakakainis.
Kasi on a
Pati
positive
negative.
note, syempre nga nalalabas na yung mga kaya kong hindi ko pa na-discover about myself. And negatively, dami niyang pinapagawa sa akin. So, medyo
Gusto mo
napapagod
yan.
ako. So, at least, yung mga, there's a balance. Na like, yung influence mo sa akin is not all positive. Meron ding pejorative side. And I think, mahalaga talagang may balance between the positive and the negative side. Para at least, you'll really learn a lot. When was the moment you felt most proud to call me your EC?
Yung mga araw na sobrang dami ko ng handle on my plate. Like, alam mo yun, simula nung una pa lang naman di ka pa official EC. Kasama na kita. Pero yung mga araw na sobrang dami ko nang hinahandle, first time ko ng pagiging head sa isang org, yung tumapak sa gantong leadership, tumapak sa gantong stage level na hindi ko inaakala actually na magkakaroon ako ng posisyon. So, syempre, everything is a first for me. It's been a while since I stepped up again as a leader since tinigil ko siya nung junior high kasi hindi ko kaya. Tapos first time ko ulit as grade 11. Tapos nung, yun nga, in talents kasi, wala naman akong co-EB, wala akong head and all, mag-isa ako. So, nung magkaroon ako ng EC, muna pa lang pinaparinig ko na kasi wala ako ng tulong. So, yung mga times na ayun, pag hindi ko na kaya, I can proudly say na magaling EC ko. Ano siya, very productive, very madaling asahan. Yeah, I'm proud. Proud of you always. Since then till now. I want to say thank you genuinely because without you, an EC in my term, hindi ako makakapag-survive. Kasi, diba, wala. You've been there all throughout since the start of my term. Alab days pa lang naman natin. I knew pa lang from that time, actually. Alam ko, sabi ko na to, pero the reason why you became VO noon. Kasi I had a lot of trust in you noon pa lang. Sabi ko, nung unang meeting pa lang, online to on-site, doon ko unti-unti na build up sa sarili ko na parang malaki tiwala ako dito. Parang, he's trustworthy. Parang worth it dito. Ayun, na magaling tong batang to. Pagkakatiwalaan, parang responsible, parang organized mo and everything. Nakikita ko yun. At di ko alam paano, pero nakita ko yun sa'yo, na parang galing mo lang. Kaya doon ko na pagkatiwala sa'yo na kaya mo yan, mapupush mo yung pag-VO mo at pagiging host pa rin. Na hindi ka lang basta pang VO, but host rin also, na kaya mo siyang pagsabayin and all, ganun. Hanggang sa, ayun, you didn't disappoint me. You proved me right na kaya mo nga siya. Simula pa lang. Hanggang sa naging easy na kita. Hanggang sa nagpaparinig ako, guys, baka gusto niyo mag-easy. Hanggang sa minandohan mo na nga sila. Huwag na mag-apply. Kasi ikaw na to. I mean, binigay naman nila sa'yo. So, tama lang, nagtiwala sila. Nagtiwala din naman ako. Since then naman, from now until now, thankful ako.
Hindi naman to siguro last message or maybe last message
Ay,
both
hindi,
as
Diyos.
an EC and as an EB. Saying thank you is an understatement. You taught me a lot of things na I never thought na ma-experience ko. Lalo na yung pag-makeup. Diyos ko, hindi ko naman alam na nasa job description ko palang matuto mag-makeup. Basta yun. At least, ayun, I've explored a lot of facets na hindi ko pa na-discover as to what I've mentioned earlier. And yun, I'm very grateful for Aliger. Kasi, parang, pag tinuturuan niya ako mag-makeup, as in culture shock ako na ganito pala to. Akala ko kinakamay yung baboy. Basta yun, to sum it all up, thank you, Aliger, for teaching me various lifelong lessons na make sure ko na magagamit ko talaga in the future.
Naiyak ako nun.
I think we've grown to be best friends. You're one of my closest friends in 12 ABM 8. And also, I applied for your EC not just because you're my friend, but because I wanted to be part of the marketing team more integral. So I think most parts of my life, I think I always think about you whenever I don't know, whenever I make a caption, obviously. But whenever I make schoolworks, then I think, oh, what would Anne think about this kaya? What would she think about this written output? Because if it's a creative output, obviously, you'd be the best at that because you're ED of marketing, right? I think that's one factor. Schoolworks, I feel like as someone who's always group mates with you and as someone who works with you in team marketing, I think a lot of my outputs are based on what you've taught me.
Like, as you said, we have been together since like grade 11. So I've seen you grow as well. Like earlier, we were just talking about how during the first quarter of grade 11, I didn't know you that well. And then it just so happened na we were research group mates, but then you became my secretary, you became my staff as well, and now you're my EC. And I'm very thankful for you. And I think that I owe you a lot, especially in terms of leadership when it comes to marketing. Because, of course, as an EV, I also have my lapses. And I always know that I can count on you to be there when I'm not. I think it's so important din kasi during EAB, like the time na EAB, I was having such a hard time putting together a team kasi it was of course very challenging. I had a lot of senior staff members that were very talented and were very experienced, but I could see your perseverance. Even, of course, I'm not saying that I'm biased because I know how you work inside the classroom, but I could see your dedication to being staff sa marketing. You're always so proactive, and even if you are juggling and you're juggling so many things with your other orgs, I know, and also your academics, of course, but you still find time to put in effort and to make sure that your outputs when it comes to marketing, really you show the golden standard.
Wow!
So as an EC, I feel very lucky to have you as my EC specifically. And I felt the most proud sa'yo during birthday ni Mama.
What?
No, during
Aaron.
opening ceremony. And also during Agape Live Golf. Because I remember, again, during the time for Agape, I was running back and forth from Grandstand to Video Pop just to post. But then when you saw how tired I was and how out of breath I was, you were like, do you want me to post it? And then you were like, okay. And I was like, okay, sige. So you were the one who was running for me. And I felt in that moment that you were gonna be my EC.
Wow!
I'm very thankful again na you're my EC and also a very close friend of mine. And I know na you'll do well whatever path you take or whichever path you take actually, because you have choices. And I know na whatever decision you make for yourself, I know that it's very well thought out of, or it's something that you really decided on. It's backed up by a lot of thinking, a lot of reflecting. Pinagnilayan mo talaga yan.
Whichever path you take, I already know what path you're going to take naman. I think you always do good. Like, you'll always do the best. I was about to say that. You'll always do the best that you can do. I think you've proven that with everything you've been doing, like your academics, your org life. I think you've been a very ano ba tawag doon? An effortful person. But, you've put in a lot of effort for everything you've been doing. I think you're very well, I said well articulate. So I think you know how to get things done. You know how to get things like right. So I think wherever you go, you're going to do great. So yeah, I hope we stay good friends until we're old. Yeah.
Aww.
We're gonna kid. Oh, I love you more.
Okay, sige.
Yeah. Okay.
It goes beyond our graduating year. I think yung experiences natin kasi na-form pa lang nung junior year pa lang natin. And doon pa lang nag-start na yung bond and yung synergy natin as workmates. And then na-continue na natin yun to this year. And then we built upon that to continue. In each event, we keep getting better and better. And up until now, it's good that we know that we're doing our best and we're working so well together.
Siguro, way back pa kasi, when we were EAs, ika mo nga, we were the duo they failed to separate. Ever since EAs tayo, we were always together. Ever since our first event together, Kiss Lab, ayun, I felt like we had clicked together. Ever since Alab, ever since EAs, you were always beside me. You were always there for me kahit na parang hindi pa kita officially EC. You were always there. You were always there for me. You were always there para tulungan yung team. Even when we were EAs, even kahit EC, kahit staff ka, you were always there. So, ayun, I'm really proud na parang we were able to create a bond together. We were able to be like two puzzles perfectly matched together.
Whatever comes sa atin na in the future, we deserve it. We worked hard for it and para sa atin talaga yun.
For me naman, I hope na you reach your dreams. Like you told me when I got elected, is that I deserve it, you deserve everything. And I hope na you reach your dreams. Ayun.
For me, yung pinaka na-influence mo ko is yung pagmumultitask kasi 'di ba nung grade 11 wala pa akong org na ganto. So like na-influence mo ako na mag-work hard palalo. Kahit hindi siya about ACADS kasi it's more on extracurricular, 'di ba? So ayun, mas naging productive ako sa buhay. Tapos mas naging confident din ako na kumilos mag-isa kasi hinahayaan mo lang naman kami, hindi.
Kapag may events, alam kong mag-a-attend ka talaga. Alam kong maasahan ka and you'll attend sa event na pupunta ka talaga sa call time. Ayun. I'm proud to call you my EC during those times na may mga hindi talaga makakapunta kasi busy. Pero I know at the back of my head, nandyan si Eliza, my EC, that will be present and be by my side to help, to assist sa team namin or sa other team na kung saan pa need ng help.
Sana, alam mo naman na ever since grade 7, magkasama tayo hanggang ngayon. So like 6 years na kitang kasama, di ba? Sana di ka pa nagsasawa. Sana hindi mo ako makalimutan. Sana magkita pa rin tayo kahit magkaiba na tayo ng building. Ngayon lang tayo magkakahiwalay. So, sana meron ka ring mga lesson na natutunan sa akin. Kasi nilulook forward ko rin na maging best friend ka at maka-work kita sa mga iba't ibang bagay. So, ayun, I wish you good luck sa lahat ng bagay and i-enjoy mo lang yung AMV life mo. Ayun. I love you.
So, thank you Eliza for being my EC. So, super hirap. Alam ko naging mahirap sa'yo i-juggle yung both academic and work. Pero I'm so happy that you accepted my call. Or hindi naman, that you applied to be my EC. And I know you do great in college. Saw you persevere sa TGS and sa ACADS. So thank you for always being by my side as an EC and as my friend. So thank you. May ganun.
Siyempre, may background kami ni Shara as friends. So, working together, parang nakadiscover ng new bond or new friendship, ganon. So, for me, mostly na-influence niya ako or maging part siya, more on sa pag-develop ko rin ng skills naming dalawa, especially sa mga pagbo-budget and ayun, so thankful ako kasi siya yung kasama kong gawin yun lahat. Kasi, from being entrep na magka-group din, kami din yung treasury dun. So, medyo nagkakagulo talaga. So, syempre, org din to, so important. So, mas naging memorable siya sa akin dahil ginawa ko siya with her. And, parang yung comfort zone namin as friends, lumabas kami dun. And mas naging professional pa kami because of this. Ayan.
Siguro proudest moment ko, pag magkasama kami gumala, si Phoebe na palagi yung nag-aano sa mga pera namin magtotropa. So minsan one time may gala na nakaupo lang ako tapos siya nagko-collect ng mga pera tapos nagko-compute. Sabi ko, wow, grabe na si Phoebe. Tapos yun, I'm proud na siguro may influence ako kay Phoebe dun sa pagbabudget sa pagko-collect, sa pag-organize ng mga pera namin pag sa tropa. Ganun. So, ayun.
Sana even though magkaiba tayong college, magkaiba tayong course, mag-join ka pa rin sa orgs na ganito kasi as your EC, nakita ko rin na ito yung track mo, ganun. Parang dito ka nag-excel. Pero hindi ko naman sinasabing i-limit mo lang sarili mo sa mga ganitong position. Pero, ayun, mas mag-ano ka pa sa mga org sa college. Kasi may potential ka and nakikita ko nag-shine ka pag nag-work ka.
Naisip ko na mamimiss ko si Phoebe as parang kasama ko sa na mag-usap about money, sa mga org. Kasi, yun nga, may background kami, so parang hindi kami nahihiya na mag-usap about sa mga money. Kunwari, feel ko kasi, for me, sa akin, kung hindi ko medyo close, medyo mahihiya ako pag may issue sa money kasi feeling ko role ko na dapat ma-solve ko na. Pero, pag kay Phoebe, parang hindi ako nahihiya na sabihin na super, ko sa kanya na, Phoebe, anong gagawin pag ganito, gano'n. So, ayun, mamimiss ko yung ganan namin na band.
I was really grateful na ikaw yung naging EV ko. Kasi, you made it a lot easier for me to adjust sa TGS. Kasi, of course, friends na tayo before. Pero, you always made sure na included ako sa mga org kineme, And dahil din sa'yo, I got to meet some of my friends dito sa org, ganon. And every time na may concern ako or feeling ko may pagkukulang ako sa trabaho sa org, you're always there beside me to help me and comfort me and make me feel better and tell me na it's not my fault. Yeah.
There are a lot of times na syempre overtime, lagi tayong overtime, especially pag may events, lagi tayong nasa mall or nasa Pure Gold, nasa market, overtime and overwork, sahod. Tapos, siguro, the moment na I felt most proud to call you my EC was nung alab. Kasi even if umiyak na tayo sa second floor, sa pagkakamali, I was really, really proud kasi kaya mong i-own up yung mistakes mo kahit naman sa mata ng iba, it's not your mistake. So I was really proud na ikaw yung pinili kong easy. I hope that in the future, yung relationship natin will continue.
Yan, I'm grateful na ikaw ang Evie ko. And ayun, I hope din na our friendship lasts hanggang sa maka-travel na tayo outside.
Yes, yes.
At first, actually, nung nag-run tayo as, for head, di ba? Naging competitors tayo against each other. Actually, nung time na yun, when I heard na ikaw yung nanalo, umiyak ako nun. Yeah, umiyak ako nun. Tapos, sabi ko sa sarili ko, hindi na ako babalik sa TGS. I hate TGS kasi hindi niyo ako pinili. Tapos, over time, may nagkausap sa akin. So, like, gusto mo talaga pakawalan yung TGS just because natalo ka sa ASHED. Parang babaw naman ang reason ko na iwan ko yung TGS just because hindi nga ako nanalo as head. And realize ko na, what if you're the perfect person for the job, diba? The perfect head of tech. Throughout the events, na-enjoy ko talaga yung time with you. Kahit hindi tayo masyado nag-chat sa GC, pag dumarating tayo sa events, it always felt like we were very close. Pero it's probably because we were already org mates since grade 11, both as EAs. No? Pero like, I've moved on from the hurt na hindi ako napili. And I'm very thankful for you na pinili mo ako as EC. Hindi ko na-imagine na ako pa rin palang pipiliin mo as EC. And through that, I was able to develop my skills even more. Mas nagva-volunteer ako kahit hindi naman dapat ako
Well, ikaw simula pa lang nung nanalo nga. Ikaw naman na talaga yung pinlano ko talagang kunin na. Kasi alam kong sabay tayo nag-staff EA. So alam natin yung pinagdaanan. Parehas tayo ng pinagdaanan. Kahit minsan hindi ka active or minsan ako yung hindi active. Parang nakaset na yung mind ko noon pa lang na ikaw na magiging easy ko. Tapos every time successful, lalo na kapag wala ako. Kasi mostly nung huli wala na ako kasi nga may classes ako. Alam kong mapagkakatiwalaan kita kahit iniwan na, kahit mag-isa ka, mapagkakatiwalaan kita sa event. Kahit minsan may mga flaws, pero okay lang kasi lahat naman ng easy ganun. And kahit Evie naman mismo, ganun rin. So, yun, parang every event naman, I'm proud to call you my easy. Lalo na, syempre, nung nag-apply ka. Kasi, kinakabahan ako, walang mag-apply na easy sa akin.
Walang mag-a-apply.
Syempre, parang priorities na. Syempre, graduating na rin. So, inisip ko, baka baka isipin na mag-grade 12 ngayon na, hindi, mag-step back muna ako kasi graduating. Kailangan mag-focus sa studies. So, nung nag-apply ka, syempre masaya ako. Before alam pa lang, kinuha na kita. Ako yung mismo nag-email sa inyo. Kasi alam ko sa sarili ko, kayo yung pinakamatatas kong tao. Or mga ka-org ko dito. So, sa mga nag-run dyan, okay lang kahit hindi kayo, kahit staff kayo, or kahit di pa kayo from tech. Kasi i-guide naman namin kayo, kaming seniors, kahit wala na kami dito.
We're just a message away. Send nyo kami ng friend request. Just one message at a time.
Oo. Mali mo, save pa ng event.
Oo nga.
Gawa. So, yun lang sa akin.
And well, ang sasabihin ko lang kayo, kung papasok talaga kayo sa org, sana seryosohin nyo talaga yung mga trabaho nyo sa org, lalo na pag inassignan kayo. Kaya talaga, when you're going to apply for an org, make sure na kakayanin mo yung responsibility and be very proactive whether you are a leader or not.
Tama naman.
I love you as a Evie.
You
taught me plenty of things. I know na we really helped each other out. we took our time to understand our our flaws and yung mga problems na hinarap natin doing events. Tapos, nagawa naman talaga ng paraan, which shows na I have a feeling na may chemistry talaga tayo. Diba?
Ayun, I'm grateful na ikaw rin yung easy ko. At syempre grateful ako, ikaw yung nakasama ko throughout tong journey ko sa TGS. And parang wala naman ang ibang papalit doon. Wala nang mas tataas pa doon.
Wala na talagang papalit kasi ako lang talagang easy mo.
Iyak ako.
Naiyak ako.
Siguro, it's not all about orgs naman kasi when I'm with this. It's not all about orgs. Like, hindi laging trabaho, hindi laging documents, hindi laging event. And sa mga part na yun, doon ako pinaka-thankful. Especially when it comes to ACADS. Yung mga random na tanong, JC, nag-review ka na ba sa ANAFI? Siyempre, ako sagot ko, wala.
Buti na lang.
Kasi yung quiz next week pa, ito atat na atat. E de, nagaganahan na ako mag-aral. Na-impluensyahan niya ako in a way na, in a good way, not in a bad way.
Actually, ang tagal ko na pag-iisipan yung sagot sa tanong na yan. Like, wait. Kasi for me, parang lagi ka lang nandyan for me. I don't think kahit hindi
Backburner, ganun.
kahit hindi kita easy, nandyan ka. Kasi ever since days as staff, feeling ko ikaw na yung easy ko. Alam mo yun, wala pa yung EAB pero may easy na ako. Parang ganon. Pero syempre parang feeling ko yung buong prod seniors easy ko sila. So, alam mo naman na sobrang lagi ako mag-panic, mag-overthink. And sometimes, sabi nila, wag ko daw gagawin utosan yung EAB. And TBH, hindi ko ginawang utosan yung EAB. Ikaw yung ginawang utosan. Each event, I'm always grateful sa'yo. Kasi alam ko na parang even though na, alam ko na kahit hindi ko matutukan yung isang bagay, there's you who's willing to take upon the responsibility. Yung mga bagay na hindi ko kayang i-ask directly, ikaw yung nag-ask. So parang yun. Kaya nga kahit nung wala ako for like a day, like yung retreat ko, like you guys manage well naman ata. You guys did well naman. Kaya nga sabi ko, kaya nyo talaga kahit wala ako kasi ayun, nandyan yung EAs. Parang EAB combined, parang may tatlong ako na. So parang, ayun. I can never find another JC in FOP. So,
Siyempre, nasa nurse.
JC, mag-FOP ka na. Alam mo, wala talaga. Lagi yun na parang...
Yes, wala talaga.
Kapag gusto ko lumabas, mag-study out, or like, gusto ko talaga mag-cafe, wala akong ibang ma-ask. Like, sabi ko, wala ba akong kaibigan? Tapos sabi ko, so JC, wala na akong kaibigan. So, ikaw yung aayain ko. So, parang, yun. Thank you for always being there for me. Kasi no one else was.
Uy.
Parang kasi, like, for TGS, for ACADS, and for life, you've been there. And, ayun, parang, wala talaga akong masabi. Kasi, just grateful. Kasi, feeling ko, ikaw yung, sana naman magkaibigan pa rin tayo next year. Pero feeling ko naman, oo. Kasi, mahirap naman makahanap nga ng another JC in my life. And I hope, huwag ka rin makahanap ng another aid in your life. Kasi one of a kind lang.
So, it's almost the end of our term as EC and EB. Although, in-expect ko na mag-i-EC ako.
Yeah,
In-expect ko. Prod has always been my number one. My number one EB. Pero ayun, last messages, as your EC, always take care of yourself. Ay, ano yung doktor? I won't be there to remind you of things na, so, pero I'll still be there naman to talk and to hang. I'll be there. Siyempre, I won't go away naman. I'll always be a chat away. I'll always be here, not as your EC, but your JC. Aww! Pinky!
Siguro for me talaga, konting background na lang, context na lang. Si Yen talaga day 1 EB ko sa TGS. Like, first day ko nung volunteer, team Yen ako nun. And one of the things talaga na from that day until now talaga na pinaka-tumatak sa akin with how Yen works talaga is to just really enjoy and have fun. And I think yun talaga yung naging influence mo sa akin is to like enjoy and have fun sa lahat ng ginagawa ko na don't take things too seriously. So parang, ayun, if masyado kang serious, parang napipilitan ka lang gawin yung mga bagay na yun. So ayun, I just, kahit sa ACADS or works or like kahit ano lang talaga na parang always look for the fun and things. Ayun lang, always be happy.
Alam mo, actually, hindi ka pa easy ko nun eh. Like, starting nung alab pa lang, I saw a potential in you. Yung kahit na baguhan ka, volunteer ka pa lang for alab, tumatak sa akin yung part na nagdidirect ako, pero you pick up on that. Tapos tinry mong magsabi, camera ready, rolling in 3, 2, 1. And I was like, sino siya? Bakit parang parang may something sa kanya na hindi ko nakita sa ibang volunteers, even if na ganon, ka-capable rin naman sila. Pero going back nga, nung naging easy kita, I can't think of a particular work kasi since laging maganda yung execution mo with our work. And I'm not being biased kasi we're friends, like we're really close friends. Pero kasi, ayun nga, starting nung alab talaga, I saw something in you na napaisip ako na gusto ko tong makuha under my team. And thankfully, nakuha nga kita as my EC. And ayun there's never a dull moment with Kyle kasi. Kaya, I can't really think of a particular na work. Kasi he's always, the golden standard.
Feel ko lagi ko naman ang sinasabi sa'yo. Lagi, like, every night na lang ako nag-chat sa'yo na parang di tayo magka-college together. So, parang, ayun. I feel like kasi dami ko parang, I feel like as friends, dami pa nating dinagagawa kasi wala pang 1 year when we became friends. So parang, ayun, there's still a lot of things, parang, di pa natin na-explore in our friendship. So, ayun lang. I just want to tell you na although, ayun, you're in BG Pop, I'm in main. Though, medyo malapit lang naman. Pero like, ang layo din kasi na parang, ayun, there's a really big chance na we won't be in the same orgs anymore. So, I hope na you still remember na I'm still here for you all the time naman. Whether it's for ACADS, for orgs, or like for anything, for life in general na I'll always be here to listen to you, for you to talk to. And ayun, I'm not just your EC, I'm your friend na.
I actually don't consider this as our last message. Kasi I have a strong feeling na magkikita pa rin tayo kahit anong mangyari. So first off, I'm really glad na we met, like we crossed paths sa buhay natin. Kasi I feel like if ever na yung slim chance na ni-reject ka namin during
Hindi naman slim yun eh.
Oo nga medyo malaki.
Parang
pero
70%, 30%.
Pero, pinaglaban ko siya. I'm breaking the fourth wall. Pinaglaban ko siya. Like, sabi ko, no, we gotta get him as our volunteer nung alab. Ayun, like, kung hindi nag-cross yung paths natin, feeling ko sobrang bago. I mean, sobrang iba ng grade 12 ko in a bad way. Like, parang, I think it's kinda dull kahit na I have TGS. Kasi, naging malaking part ka rin ng buhay ko kahit na mag-iisang year pa lang. Like, ang laki talaga ng impact ni Kyle. Like, I think, hindi niya yun nakikita sa sarili niya, pero yung effect niya sa mga tao, it's such a positive way na, ang saya lang na maging, oh my gosh! Huwag kang iiyak! Like, it's such a positive way talaga. Kaya, like, ang dami nagsasabi sa akin, yan, you're so bubbly, you're so nice, you're so friendly pala kahit na you look like you're mad all the time. Pero yun rin yung masasabi ko kay Kyle eh. Like, on the go, he's been so kind, he's been so patient, and he's been so passionate sa org na to, and sometimes I could see myself in him. Kaya I'm really grateful lang kay Kyle kasi when I look at him, parang naaalala ko yung grade 11 Yen.
And grade 11 yan was very so passionate. Pero when I'm looking back at myself, parang there's something inside me that burned eh. Pero kay Kyle, he burned in a positive way and I'm really grateful for him.
Ayun nga, with yung passion, I just want to thank you lang. I think sobrang sirang plaka na nitong lagi ko sinasabi sa iyo, kay Aid, tsaka kay Aaron, na nag-apply pa ako sa AB, na parang nawala talaga yung passion ko for production work. Pero kayong tatlo ba, lalo na kayo ni Aid, tsaka ni lalo na ikaw, tsaka si Aid, you really brought back my passion. I'm really thankful kasi it's something I really love. And ayun, sobrang thankful lang ako kasi, ayun, this senior year, parang ang dami kong pinagdaanan talaga personally. Especially with people around me. And kayong dalawa talaga ni Aid, I'm thankful talaga and I wouldn't have it any other way na kayong dalawa yung naging EB ko. Kasi you always lagi niyong pinaparamdam sa akin na I'm here, na parang I belong here and na I'm right for this organization and I'm so thankful na, ayun nga, you guys took a chance on me kasi parang TGS really became my home talaga this year na parang if pagod ako, kayo ni Aid, sila Marie, sila JC, yung iba pang proud seniors nagiging sanctuary ko.
We promise to be friends.
Yeah. Siguro, if I were to consider yung tong prod side of myself siguro, that's the most, yung most part of my like self siguro na most influence mo. So yun, aware naman ako na parang syempre volunteer lang ako. Wala talaga ako masyadong ka-close. Kung may ka-close man ako, prod lang talaga. So, eto rin talaga yung parang isa sa mga vital points ko sa experience ko here. Syempre, baguhan din ako in prod, in Liga in general. So, yeah, I'm really grateful for that. Especially, siguro since yun yung officer. Wala yan!
Diba?
Yun talaga yun
Yun yung nag-test.
Yun talaga. Parang,
Parang lahat ng napagdaanan natin super.
Oo, yun talaga yung moment na parang dun pa tayo mas naging close. So, ayun, siguro yung mga nangyari nun, it happened for a reason. Kaya mas naging close tayo. So, dun ko na-realize siguro na parang, siguro if hindi, alam mo yun, if hindi ako nag-easy, ganyan, hindi ko yun may experience. Wala, parang hindi rin ako parang mag-i-improve sa skills ko. And yeah, even though yun nga, medyo chaotic,
Super.
to say the least, yung nangyari ng officer, I'm really grateful to have worked with you and with everyone. Yan.
Honestly, parang every time na I put in work sa team natin, tapos you always back me up or like you're always there to support the EAs, ganun. So I'm so proud na ito yung naging easy ko. Kasi nga parang at some point na habang naghahanap ko ng easy, nahihirapan ako to actually gauge kung fit ba to or yung personalities ba natin magmamatch. Pero yung officer, isa yun na sabi ko, si Marie, super proud ako dito. Even ask mo yung EBs ko, kapag kapag dumalabas kami, sinasabi ko na super thankful ako kay Marie, at least may kaagapay ako sa paggagawa ng work. Kasi, naman, super hirap ng ginagawa natin.
Yeah.
Super crap lahat.
Yeah.
And parang, personally, kapag mag-isa lang ako, feeling ko, hindi ko siya kayang gawin. So, I'm really thankful na you were there. And I'm so proud na yung from the volunteer Marie na hindi ko napapansin dati. Ngayon na naging easy ko na, yan, nakaka-proud yung growth mo sa TGS. Yeah, super proud and I know yung EAs natin, super proud. Kasi you're so good. Gadling mo sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. So, yeah. Every day, I'm proud to call you my EA.
I'm really grateful to have spent my senior year, especially with Team Press. Basta, I'm really grateful kasi mas, alam mo yun, parang mas nakita ko pa yung buong picture ng prod ng TGS in itself. So, I'm really grateful na I've got that experience with you guys. So, ayun, I'm really gonna carry everything I've learned, whether sa prod or, you know, in real life, in life in general. So, yeah, I'm really grateful for you. Thank you kasi naisip mo na kunin mo ako easy.
I know it's not gonna be the same even if I join, similar orgs sa college kasi you guys are my first, so it's really special.
Final message ko kay Marie. First of all, I'm very grateful kasi sobrang maasahan ka na easy. Ano ba yan? Sobrang maasahan ka na easy kasi may mga times talaga nung may EAB na parang kahit second sem na, I still doubted myself kung kaya ko pa ba gawin yung work, if kaya ko pa siyang i-carry on my own. Pero yun nga, simula na nagka-EAB and you were there with Aliyah and Chloe, parang sabi ko, at least, like, kahit ako nababurn out or super heavy na nung dinadala ko, at least you guys are there to help me para ma-ease yung nararamdaman ko. Kasi, so, of course, nung officer, di ba?
Yeah.
Alam mo nun, nag-rant naman ako sa GC na parang araw-araw na nag-meeting, araw-araw na lang ganyan. And at least, meron akong mga kasama na naiintindihan ako kasi we share the same work. And ayun, I'm very thankful kasi hindi ka nagreklamo sa akin na kung anong mga work na ginagawa natin. Kahit we carry all of the departments, hindi ka nagreklamo. And I'm really happy na pinili mo yung TGS and Team Press at di mo ako dinecline. Kasi kung dinecline mo, hindi na mag-easy. Anong pipiliin iba? Kasi alam ko, you're the best fit for the job.
Oh my God.
So, thank you, Marie.
Thank you.
Oh, easy. Sobrang lagal ko lang kami mag-hug natin.
This has been your Batch 2025 seniors from towards grander stages.
Ante, pakishorten yung caption. Okay na ba to? Wala ko pa na-reveal yun.
Okay, stop. Approved and posted.
Don't let us stop.
This has been your Batch 2025 seniors from the marketing team towards grander stages.
Uy, teka. This has been your Batch 2025 seniors from the creative department towards grander stages!
Tara, DV!
This has been your seniors
Batch 2025 from the logistics department towards grander stages!
May pagkain na ba yung guest?
May tubig na ba yung host?
This has been your Batch 2025 seniors from the ComDev department towards grander stages!
Teamwork makes the stream work. This has been your Batch 2025 seniors from Team Technicals towards grander stages. Woo! Quiet on the set. Cameras ready. Mics ready. Rod ready. In 3, 2, 1. This has been your Batch 2025 seniors from Team Productions